Hi. What are the factors that really matter in the life? My name is Orfelina Martinez, and I invite you to know the answer to the interesting question. Steve Jobs, one of the world's most revolutionary entrepreneurs in the world, he left you some teachings in the which to reflect on the things that are really important in the life. The past connect with our reality, help you to be what we are today, help you with the experience on the past. Don't worry that is a good experience or the bad experience, help you to connect the dots in our life. If we love that we do this experience, for example, we lost our relationships or a job, this is a learning for our because don't lose the faith, all right? We will fight to follow our dreams, and we must break the paradigms or dogmas, not like the life of the others. We need to follow our instincts, our hearts, okay? Fight for what we want and never stop the dream. Stay hungry, stay focused. There is always some time we need to do be entrepreneurs in our daily life, innovating in our work, in our life, personal life or family life. I agree with Jobs. These are the things that are really important in the life.